Welcome to the lesson 6, the concluding session of our model on generative AI. Today, we will summarize the journey we have taken through this fascinating area of artificial intelligence, reflecting on the key concepts and applications we have explored. In this model, we delve deep into the world of generative AI, uncovering its fundamental principles and the incredible potential it holds. Let's revisit the major topics we have covered. Fundamentals of generative AI. We start by establishing what generative AI is and why it's a critical area of study and development in AI. Understanding these fundamentals set the stage for deeper exploration into how these technologies are built and applied. Diverse generative models. We introduced various types of generative models that are pivotal in creating processes. This include variational autoencoders, generative adversarial networks, and autoregressive models, each with unique mechanisms and uses in generating new content. Large language models. A significant focus was placed on large language models like GPT-3 and GPT-4. We discussed their capabilities in generating human-like text, showcasing how they are served as powerful tools for applications ranging from writing assistants to conversational agents. Real-world applications. We reviewed how generative AI is applied in practical scenarios, such as in generating images, videos, and music. These applications demonstrate the versatility of generative AI in enhancing creative processes across various media. Another one, impact on industries. Finally, we highlighted the transformative potential of generative AI in various sectors, from revolutionizing content creation to impacting the way we interact with digital media. The implications of these technologies are vast and far-reaching. So, this summary encapsulates our exploration of generative AI, underscoring the profound impact and expansive capabilities of these technologies. As we conclude this model, reflect on how the knowledge gained can be applied in your own areas of interest or professional endeavors. So, thank you for engaging with this model. I hope it has provided you with a solid understanding of generative AI and inspired you to consider how you might leverage these tools in your own field. Stay curious and continue exploring the ever-evolving landscape of AI. So let's go to the next model.